If you want to learn how you can create unlimited video using HeyGen, this video is for you. You have to watch the full video because in the last I will tell you how you can do it for free. So first of all, you have to come to Google and you can come to HeyGen, search it here like HeyGen and come to this website, and first of all you have to log in with any of your Gmail account. Okay, then you have to create your avatar. So go to avatar. Here is the avatar, and here you will see like create a avatar. You will get an option at first. So I already created two avatar. Here is the one I already created an avatar. So if you want, you can create another one from here. So let me show you. So you can just choose the create a virtual character. Okay, so here I will upload photo. I will create my avatar from a photo. Okay, so I am just uploading, then put a name, then create. So from here you have to clone your voice. So you can clone your voice, or you can upload a voice. You can just select it from here, or you can upload a voice. So you can just allow, and here you can upload your audio. So I have already an audio here, so I am not going to upload. So you can just upload your voice here, then it will be detect your voice. Okay, so I'm just select any of the voice for now, then select voice, but I will not use this voice. I have my voice already. So now our avatar is ready, you can see, and here you can see in the right side there is a play button. Just click here and you will see this option like build scene by scene. Just click here. Now we have to put a script here, like which video you want to make. So here I will put a script. So this is my script. I'm going to put here my script. So this is my script. So it's almost like 52 seconds. Now here you can see in the right side my avatar is selected, and here is the voice. I will use my voice. I have different voice. Here I will switch my voice, and this is my voice. Okay, so now I have just selected my voice, and from here the motion engine you have to select avatar 3. Okay, just here, don't click this generate button, just click here render scene. So it will take some time to render all the scenes. Just wait. So here you can see scene rendered. So our work is done. So now the part is how you will download this. So you did not generate this, so how you can download this. So this is the part, secret part. I will show you in my Telegram because I cannot show it here. Okay, so I will put this video, that part, in my Telegram channel. So if you want to learn that, you have to come to my Telegram channel and you will find this video, that part. Okay, then now I will show you, just after download I will show you it actually work. Okay, now I'm going to download this. So you can see this is the video we just created. So here you will see there will be no watermark. Okay, so this is the video, and how I downloaded it I will show it on my Telegram channel. So you have to come my Telegram channel, you will find this video and you can learn it from here. And this way you can generate unlimited video. You can see I have still one video left here. I have one video left. So in this way you no need to buy any credit or anything. You can generate unlimited video. If you want to learn this, you have to come my Telegram channel. I will put the link in the description. So come to my Telegram channel and you will find the video. Thanks.